Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop speakers if it's crackling, okay, or if it gives you a crackling sound. Now, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, right-click on your sound option right here, click on sound settings, and then just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find more sound settings. Click on it, and then in here, just find your speakers, okay? You're going to want to double click on your laptop speakers, and then just go ahead over to enhancement, okay? And here, make sure that you disable all enhancement, tick on it and hit on apply. And then go ahead over to advanced right here. Make sure if you use studio quality right here or DVD quality, at least try CD quality, okay? If CD quality gives you a crackling noise, well, go ahead and go down, all right? And then hit on apply. And then once that's done, make sure that this option right here, give exclusive mode application priority, is unticked, okay? Click on apply, click on OK, and then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, right-click on your start menu and click on device manager. Find audio inputs and outputs. Find your speakers, right-click, update driver. Browse my computer. Let me try one of these signatures. For example, this one, just click on next. If that doesn't work, go ahead and find your speakers again, update, browse, let me pick, and try the other one. Okay, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and then after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Now, if that fails, well, go ahead and find power options. Now click on choose a power plan. Just make sure that you don't use power saver, okay? If you have higher options than balanced, let's say you have high performance or ultimate performance, I would highly suggest that you select those options, okay? Once it's selected, close this one. Just go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix laptop speakers if it's crackling or it gives you crackling sounds on Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.